Hello everyone. So this is very delicate device, but we need to use it daily as an authentication device. So I designed and 3D printed this custom name USB case cover for it, and now I will show you how to attach this USB stick to this cover. So inside this case there are two rings. I will show you in 3D model. So you have to just slide your USB key to it and it will get locked just like that. There is also one more lock when you close it, and that's how you can insert it into your laptop or desktop, and it's easily accessible. You can use a ring for extra protection as well. So this is a 3D model of this USB cover. You can see a custom name over here, and hope you can see a locking mechanism. Let me just show you. So these two rings are holding this USB key, so you can use an external ring for extra protection as well. Thanks for watching, and do let me know your reviews.